Maya G. Manalili. Ang tatay ko po si Onesimo Manalili. At ang nanay ko po si Joanisa Virgie Manalili. Alam my relatives and my nanay because they are helping us to our finance, especially in this time.
I'm Hannah Manalili de la Cruz, the youngest daughter of Rose Manalili de la Cruz, and my father is Fidel de la Cruz. I remember Lolo when we called him from New Zealand, and he'd always sound so happy and joyful. So it's good to know he's up at home with God now.
My name is Krisha Chloe May Manalili de la Cruz, and I am the oldest daughter of Rosita Manalili de la Cruz. I remember when Lolo told me to always have a positive attitude in every situation I'm in, whether it is good or bad.
I am Cecil Manalili Cruz, daughter of Cressy Manalili Cruz and Albert Cruz. I remember Lolo as always thanking God through the good times and the bad. I remember Lolo as always uplifting my spirits when I needed him most. But most of all, I remember Lolo as always trusting God no matter what life threw at him.
My name is Jam Kirsty Manalili Linus, oldest daughter of Liningning Manalili Linus. I remember Lolo every time I talked to him on the phone, he would remind me to do well in my studies. He also promised me that he would be there for my graduation. And I know that the day I graduate, he'll be there right next to me walking down the stage.
Ako po si Maria Victoria Manalili Parambita, anak ni Victoria Parambita. Thank you, Lolo, for teaching us to be patient, to be humble, to be ourselves. Lolo, you're my inspiration, my idol, and my hero. Thank you, Lolo.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Ako po si Joshua Manalili. Anak po ako ni Onesiforo at Ruby Manalili. Sa lahat po ng kanyang mga apo, ako po yung pinakakamukha po niya. Dahil sa kanya po ako pinag-ibig. Lolo, kahit wala na po kayo dito, hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan at mamahalin po kita magpakailanman.
Ako po si Daniel Manalili, ang bunsong anak ni Oni at Ruby Manalili. Si Lolo Tots ang naging inspirasyon ko para mag-aral ako ng mabuti. Lolo, hindi kita makakalimutan at mahal na mahal kita.
Ako nga po pala si Neil Franz V. Manalili, ang anak po ni Francis Manalili at ni Lizette Manalili. Kung meron nga po pala akong tutularan o kaya magiging inspirasyon, yun po si Lolo Tots. Sabi nga ng tatay, simple lang naman ang pangarap ni Lolo. Yun ang mapalapit sa Diyos at mapagtapos ang kanyang mga anak na siyang natupad naman niya po. Kaya kami pong mga apo niya ang magpapatuloy sa kanyang pangarap at hindi po namin siya bibiguin. I love you, Lolo Tots. We will miss you.
Ako po si Arsenio David Delgado Manalili, pangalawang anak ni Ruby at Oni Manalili. Ang pinaka maalala ko kay Lolo ay kung paano niya pahalagaan ng salitang pamilya. He prioritized his family more than himself. Hindi po siya nagkulang sa suporta, sa pagmamahal, sa bawat isa po sa amin. Saka kung hindi po dahil kay Lolo ay wala po kami magulang na mapagmahal sa anak, saka mapagmahal sa Diyos.
My name is AJ Andrew Albert Manalili Cruz. I'm the only son and second child of Pressy Manalili Cruz. My lolo was a strong, family, God-fearing man. He did not know what the word can and no meant. Even though my lolo is not here right now, Lolo, I love you. You were always here for me to make me a stronger person, and I know now that I will be even stronger since you were up in heaven watching over me.
Manalili Linus, my mother Luningning Manalili Linus, and my father Bon Linus. I remember Lolo as a man who was the foundation of a strong family. He had a heart built for a family, and to me, he was the god of thunder.
Ako po si Pipoy, Sir Rodolfo Manalili parang panganay na ako, panganay na anak ni Victoria Manalili Parambita at Rodolfo Salvedilla Parambita. Naalala ko kay Lolo, parati siyang nagsusuot ng pabaliktad ng damit. Siguro, it mirrors how he wants his heart to be clean and his life to be clean. I'm a firm believer of you would see how successful a man is through the fruits of his children. And makikita niyo po dito ang mga apo ng si Lolo at ang mga anak ng kanyang mga anak. At kami po ay nadadala at very proud sa aming Lolo. We love you, Lolo.
Ako po si Francisco Mariano Rogado Manalili. I will always and forever be grateful and be proud to be named after Lolo Tots. Lolo always had his hopes high for me and never doubted my abilities. Salamat po, Lolo.
Tonight